Hi. Hello kids. How are you? Fine? Yes. And it's a fun day, right? Yes. Now tell me, which day of the week is fun day for you? Saturday. Saturday. Okay. Yes. And also somebody is saying Sunday. Yes. Saturday is fun day between teacher and students. And Sunday is fun day between students and their parents. Right? Yes. So we enjoy on Sunday with our parents. And we enjoy our Saturday with our teachers. Right? Yes. Okay, so how are we going to celebrate our fun day? Dancing? No. Singing? No. You tell me how. Okay, I'll tell you. We'll enjoy our fun day with a story. It's storytelling time. Storytelling time. Okay, so be attentive, be careful. Okay, I will tell you a story and I will ask your mom and dad to listen to it. Okay, and then I will ask you few questions and you have to answer those questions to your parents. And also you also have to make them understand what you understood. Okay? Okay, ready? Ready? Sit properly. Yes. And listen to the story. The story will be in English. Not in Hindi, not in English. Combination of both Hindi and English, which becomes English. Okay? So be ready. Okay. So the title of the story is what is it? Cave. Okay. And the title becomes Talkative Cave. Okay. Bolti Gufa. Okay. The title is Bolti Gufa. Talkative Cave. You know, there was one tiger. One tiger. Yes. And he was very hungry. He was very hungry. He was roaming here and there, here and there, here and there in search of food. In search of food. Yes. But he has not received or he has not got any food to eat for last 2 days. Yes, for last 2 days. And he was very hungry. Now he was roaming here and there, here and there, here and there, here and there, here and there. And he saw one cave. He saw one cave. And you know, the cave was very big. And he thought, yes, this is a big cave. And it is the shelter for many small animals. It seems like it is a shelter for many small animals. Yes. So he thought of hiding himself somewhere so that whenever the animals come into the cave, he's going to eat them up and get rid of his hunger. So he was sitting and hiding himself. Yes. And suddenly, when it was evening, the fox and the cunning wolf. Both were walking towards their cave. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Yes. Both were walking towards that cave. Suddenly, Fox went somewhere. Okay? He went somewhere. But the cunning wolf was thinking of getting some rest in that cave. So now, when he was walking towards the cave, he saw the paws of tiger going inside the cave. But there was no returning paws. He was cunning. He was intelligent enough. He used his brains and thought, there is something wrong. Now, he used his intelligence and thought of asking the cave whether there is someone inside that cave or not. So, he screamed. What he said? He screamed and said, "Hello, Gufa. Hello, Gufa. कैसे हो? बताओ, कैसे हो? क्या मैं अंदर आ जाऊं? क्या मेरे लिए ये जगह सुरक्षित है रहने के लिए?" But he was sitting and there was no answer from the cave. Again he screamed, "Gufa, बोलती क्यों नहीं? क्या मैं आ जाऊं अंदर? रोज तो तुम बताती हो कि मैं आऊं या नहीं आऊं, क्या ये जगह सुरक्षित है या नहीं, पर आज तो बोल ही नहीं रही हो, बोलो." Now again there was no answer from the cave. Now tiger thought, टाइगर ने सोचा, टाइगर थॉट कि oh my God, this wolf is going to come inside to stay. And when every day this cave answers to the wolf, why not today? Maybe because I am inside, so he is thinking not to answer. I cannot let my food go away from me. I'll be hungry. I'll be craving for food. Oh my God, I cannot do that. Let me answer so that the wolf comes inside and I can eat and get rid of the hunger. Now what the tiger does, tiger answers to the wolf. हाँ wolf, आ जाओ. ये केव, ये गुफा रोज की तरह आज भी तुम्हारे रहने के लिए सुरक्षित है. And now wolf heard tiger saying this, and then wolf says, "What do you think, tiger? Am I a fool that I am going to come inside and become your food? No, I am not coming. Bye. Take care." And he runs away from there. So, wolf saves his life through his intelligence. Yes. Siksha, moral of the story, you should always use your brains. You should always think and imagine what you're going to do. Okay? हमेशा सोच समझ के हमें अपने काम को अंजाम देना चाहिए. Understood? Yes? What? Understood? Yes? Yes. Wasn't the story good? Very good. Yes, I know. So now it's question time, quiz time, okay? So be ready. Who was cunning and intelligent? Who was cunning and intelligent? Question number 1. Question number 2. What is the title of the story? Okay. Question number 3. Who was inside the cave? Who was inside the cave? Question number 4. How many days was tiger hungry from? How many days was tiger hungry from? Question number 5. What is the moral of the story? What is the moral of the story? Now you have to answer these questions to your parents, and also you have to narrate the story. आपको उस story जो आपने अभी सुनी है वो अपने मम्मी पापा को बतानी है, ठीक है? Now you have to answer and you have to narrate the story too, okay? And then your mama and your papa are going to give you marks and the scores. How much you have understood? Whether it's good, whether it's very good, whether it's not so good. Okay? Okay? Yes, they are going to score you with the title. Good, very good, or not so good. Okay? And you may get some chocolates if you deliberate good. Okay? Bye. Take care. See you in the next video and stay tuned. Stay safe at home and listen to your mama and your papa. And keep telling stories and keep learning. Bye. Take care.